Now you got some DJI product and you want to know about the genuinity of the product, right? So first of all, you go to dji.com and then you scroll down. They will get this one. No, sorry. You go to here, support. Click on support. Then you come down. You will find here device info. Click on inquire now. Then click on this one, search by serial number, and all you have to do is to paste the serial number of your product and click and slide this to verify. So once it is done, click on check. It will take them some time, and here you will get the information about your product. So my product is Osmo Pocket 3. You can see the activation time, and that's on December 17th. So the status shows under warranty, and here you will also get a brief history about the repair of the device. So I think this will solve your problem. Thanks for watching.